So of course, everyone loves the positive energy that the coaches bring to the space, the heart and soul that they provide and the support and motivation they give to the teachers. But of course, everybody needs to know, how does that impact students? When people talk about impact, they want to know about test scores. So can you talk a little bit about what the results that you've seen for the program on your students?
No matter the organization that you are in, data drives your decisions, right? So knowing that 3 years ago, we're looking at our data, our assessments, how our kids are performing, right? And we saw the need of bringing new strategies, new models of instruction for our science instruction. So with this in mind, we know that we have a professional development set up for teachers that they will transfer later on to empower our students to do better in school, in class, in quizzes and tests. So from the 60 percentile passing score to upper 70s, 80s, so it was an increase of 20% at least. And we have hopes that we're going to get the 90 percentile for this STAR assessment, no matter the circumstances, because good instruction is good instruction, and when the kids are experiencing it live, what they're learning, it makes the total difference.